Shanling EC ZeroT review. Retro CD vibes with tube power? Audiophiles, you need to see this. Let's face it, your current setup might be killing your vibe. Ever feel like you're fighting your gear instead of flowing with it? Choppy playback, lame battery life, weak soundstage, clunky UI, it's all friction. You hit play, expecting warmth and clarity, but get static and regrets. It's like being stuck in musical limbo. And if you're trying to relive the golden era of CDs, you already know. Most portable players out there just don't cut it. Frustrated, overwhelmed, creatively blocked, it's a real mood killer. You deserve better. Way better. Now the clock's ticking. You've got playlists to rediscover, deadlines looming, creative sessions on hold, and your gear's letting you down. That warm, analog glow you crave? Nowhere to be found. That crystal clear sound? Muffled behind noise and missed connections. It's enough to make you want to toss your headphones and give up. Burnout creeps in, opportunity slips past. Meanwhile, others are enjoying silky smooth playback, zero lag, and beautiful tone. You're left wondering, why am I still dealing with this mess? It's not you. It's your tech. And it's time to upgrade. Enter the Shanling EC ZeroT, a portable CD player reimagined for audiophiles who demand perfection. Think tube magic meets digital clarity, with a Kunlun 24-bit R2R DAC, and dual JAN 6418 vacuum tubes delivering jaw-dropping warmth and detail. This isn't just nostalgia, it's a full-blown sensory revival. Bluetooth 5.3 with aptX? Yup. CD ripping? Done. Headphone outputs with real juice? 4.4mm balanced or 3.5mm single-ended, take your pick. You get seamless gapless playback, an anti-vibration tray with magnetic suction, yes, really, and that sweet glowing tube aura. This is next-level audio engineering, portable, powerful, and totally badass. The EC ZeroT doesn't just play your music, it elevates it. Say goodbye to compromise. Say hello to your new obsession. Imagine this. Buttery smooth playback that hugs your ears with rich analog vibes. A desktop-grade amp that fits in your hand. And reviews? Oh, they're glowing brighter than those JAN 6418 tubes. Notebook Check calls it a standout revival. Acoustics dubs it a Swiss Army knife for the disc-obsessed. Verified users rave about the gapless playback, powerful outputs, and CD-ripping perks. Incredible, says one. A cheap way to add high-end playback to any setup, says another. From FLAC to MP3, this baby handles it all, without skipping a beat. Whether you're deep into IEMS or just want to bring your CD archive back to life, this thing adapts to you. Feel the warmth. Hear the detail. Watch that vacuum tube glow as your music hits different. Still curious? You should be. Tap in. Let the sound speak. Stocks are tight, demand is rising, and the Shanling EC ZeroT isn't waiting around. Thousands have already unlocked CD bliss, and you're just one click away. Don't let FOMO win. Secure yours now before it vanishes into audiophile legend. Whether you're reviving a dusty CD collection or starting fresh with the best, this is the moment. Zero regrets. Zero compromise. Shanling EC ZeroT, built for believers, dreamers, and those who still chase sonic perfection. Limited supply. Act now. Hit that buy button. And never settle for static again.